What's up guys? In this video, I'm gonna give you an easy way where you can advertise your business on something you use every day. Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you or show you something you can use to advertise your business on a device, hint, that you use every day. But first, if this is your first time with me, my name is Rochelle and I'm with 31 Gifts. If you love totes, if you love bags, if you love giveaways, if you just love freebies or want to be entertained, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash that like, or hit me up in the comments. So, what is this video all about? I'm going to show you how you can use everyday stuff from your business supplies to customize your phone case with stuff that you probably have laying around the house. So this is cheap, this is super easy, and it's interchangeable depending on what you want to do with it. You're constantly on your phone, you're either texting or it's on your ear, and what's a great eye catcher then when people are around and say, hey, what's that on your phone? And it's a great conversation starter. So let's get to it. Here are some of the supplies. Mind you, this is my first time doing this, but you'll need your catalog or business magazine that they provide with. I have these mini catalogs that come along with my business supplies. Just basically any graphics that you want to use for your picture in the background of your clear case. So here's a clear case for my phone. I was deciding to do a pocket socket and customize a pocket socket. I got this off eBay for about $2. You'll need a clear coat nail polish to make sure that the picture on the pocket socket sticks. And then you're going to look around. Use the catalogs, the magazines, the advertisements, anything that you can print off and kind of sort of size up what pictures you want in the background. Now, mind you, of the hole that the camera is located on the very top left of your phone, and remember, you're going to have to cut that out. So go ahead and take that pocket socket out. You also want to take a look at that size of that pocket socket, figure out where it's going to land on your phone, and remember that it's going to be blocking some part of the picture or the advertisement that you want to show in the background. So you want to play around with what graphics you have. For instance, this one, I love the bag, I love the picture, but I'm not too excited about the fact that the pocket socket's going to block the bag. I also don't like the fact that the logo on the very top left is going to be cut off, so this probably won't be a good choice. So let's take a look at this one. Again, I love the picture, but then the pocket socket again is going to be blocking a bag, which is what I want to advertise. So just take a look at what you have, the graphics, the catalogs, the magazines, and see what fits. Because remember, this is going to be your conversation starter. You want people to be drawn to your case. So let's take a look around and see what we get. So after going through an entire catalog or the magazine, I finally decided on the words that says double Hostess rewards. The wording is big and loud and people can see it. And I thought it was perfect for this month's case since it is this month's special. So you're gonna go ahead and outline where the camera is supposed to be, and then next you're just gonna simply outline the phone. Once you're done outlining, you're going to go ahead and take your scissors, take a look at the back of the page, make sure it's a graphic that you don't want to use or possibly use in the upcoming months, and you're just going to simply cut where you traced. Now, mind you, when you first place it in, it may be a little enlarged, so just go ahead and make sure you trim it small enough. The bottom is a good and safe place to start trimming, and just enough for you to slip that design into your case. After carefully trimming it, voila! It looks awesome! Make sure that the design is where you want it placed. Next, you're just gonna outline again the area where the camera is so that when you cut it, you know where to cut. Just make sure you're careful with where you're cutting because I would rather cut too little than too much. And double check your design. I'm a little nitpicky, so I'm gonna go a little extra here and cut out to where I am happy with it. Go ahead and take your pocket socket, figure out what customizable image you want to put on there, and pick one that you're happy with. After going through the catalog, I just realized I don't think I'm going to use a pop socket to design or customize this time. I decided to maybe get an image because the words are loud and bold for everyone to see, and I want something to complement those words, and why not then a picture of the product. And in this case, it says my product's name, title, and what I'm selling, which are 31 gifts and totes and bags. So go ahead and cut that out, and I'm going to add it to my case design. Super happy with what I came out with. I'm just gonna do a little tidy up here. These little pieces of papers bother me. I'm gonna go ahead and glue that picture onto my design to make sure it securely stays up there. And of course, I gotta clean up or else my mom will be very disappointed in me. A rockin' phone case design that displays all about your business. You can chat on the phone, you can text, and people are like, what is that? Where'd you get that case? And you can simply say, well, let me tell you all about it. Well, what do you think, guys? I think this is a super great idea. You know, like, hi, excuse me, I can't hear you, or hold on, give me a minute. So this is great because this is our current month special, so for 31, and next month I can always change it. I think this can go with any business. You have your catalogs, or you can go online and print something fancy out that works for you. There are so many ways and ideas. I decided not to put the pocket socket yet because I really liked this design, and maybe in the next video or so I will add the pocket socket and customize it. There are so many apps or software out there that you can create a specific size for this iPhone case, but I'm not there yet, and this was super easy, and I had all these products laying around my house, so I figured it's something super easy and didn't take much time for me to do. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me see what you guys do. Tag this video if you guys decide to make your own case, and I hope it was helpful. Bye.